Oh, this shit legit raining harder than that one level for fucking Plant vs. Zombies, the original game. You know, like, like part one? You know, when the fucking rain hits hard on the, for some reason? It's like this. Wait. Y'all can't see it, but it's raining goddamn hard. It looks perfect for some reason. But trust me, it's raining goddamn hard. What? Ah. It's raining a lot. It's literally raining a lot. It sounds like and looks like it's not raining, but trust me, it's raining hard. It's raining harder when I'm in your mom's room. Well, bye.